Hi, my name's Andrea Leonard. I'm the president and founder of the Cancer Exercise Training Institute. I'm a 32-year cancer survivor, and my mother has survived 3 different cancers, 2 of which were breast cancer, and the longest one was 35 years ago. I was sitting here thinking today, as I was working on my latest book, about all the people that have been diagnosed with all kinds of cancer, but particularly breast cancer, that are not told about lymphedema. Lymphedema is the swelling of the extremity, and when we're talking about breast cancer, it can be the pectoral area. If radiation was received there, it can even be the lat area, but primarily it is the arm of the side that has either had lymph nodes removed or irradiated. So that's typically the red flag. If somebody's had lymph nodes removed or irradiated, they are at risk for lymphedema. Now, the risk varies on a multitude of things, from age, nutrition, body fat, but the bottom line is that it can be prevented with proper education. And if women and men who are diagnosed with breast cancer are shown what lymph drainage exercises that they can do and are made aware of how to monitor for the early signs of lymphedema, which if it's caught early can usually be reversed, we can avoid people suffering needlessly with this extreme swelling of usually the arm. It's very disfiguring and painful. It can affect range of motion of the arm and therefore the ability to perform activities of daily living, things we take for granted, from brushing your teeth to drying your hair, washing your hair, whatever. So why are people not being told about it? It's just so overlooked. And I'm telling you this after teaching thousands of professionals and after working with hundreds of cancer patients. I can say this with confidence that the majority of people are not told. So I beg of you, if you know somebody who has had breast cancer surgery or treatment, and it doesn't matter if they had it last week or if they had it 30 years ago, because unfortunately, the risk of lymphedema does not go down with time. Time doesn't make any difference whether you just had radiation or you just had lymph nodes removed or you're 25 years out. Your risk doesn't increase or decrease based on time. So therefore, we must educate our friends, our family, ourselves, so that if this ever does happen to you, if you ever do have to deal with cancer surgery and treatment, that you are aware of it. If you don't know the exercises to do, you don't know how to do lymph drainage techniques, on our Cancer Exercise Training Institute website, which is simply www.thecancerspecialist.com, we offer free advice and exercise advice on lymphedema. There are free videos for you to watch on the YouTube channel, and please take advantage of this and share it with your friends. I just can't tell you how many people have lymphedema that don't need to. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at empower, EMPOWER, survivor at earthlink.net, or call Cancer Exercise Training Institute at 503-502-6776. And please, if you do nothing more than Google lymphedema, understand exactly what it is, and then Google lymphedema exercises. Ideally, you would work with a cancer exercise specialist, and we have a directory on our website under the Patients tab. There's a CES directory, and even if somebody can only work with a cancer exercise specialist one time, to have a program individualized for them, because no 2 cancer patients or survivors are the same. Their treatments aren't the same. Their response to treatment isn't the same. They may have different aftermaths, for example, limited range of motion or postural imbalances that are leading to joint pain and degeneration, short-term, long-term side effects. So there's so much that can be minimized or completely prevented through exercise. Again, visit our website, thecancerspecialist. It's .com, .net, .org. You pick, or the phone number is 503-502-6776. And if you are trying to find a cancer exercise specialist in your area, click on the patient tab and then drop down to the directory, and you can put in whatever city, state, or country that you're looking for somebody. If you cannot find somebody nearby, we also offer cyber training. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and hope you're thinking about your 4th of July weekend.